Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap here on the network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi, click only once on the switcher and then here you'll see the list of just the available networks, and just for example let's select this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click once here on this checkbox, for example just to have no some mistakes, and I'll just enter it out of screen. After that just tap here to connect, wait a second. Now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just add one more network, that's also not a problem. Just click here, enter password, tap to connect, and that's it. After that you can see here all your saved networks with the passwords here on this section. Just you can switch after that between them if you want. To turn out the Wi-Fi, you should just click here only once on the switcher, and you can do it also by the second way. Just open notification panel, shortcuts, and first icon which you will see, this is the Wi-Fi icon. Just click once here to activate the Wi-Fi. If you want to launch the same Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, hold for a while just this icon, and after that just select the network, enter password, tap to connect, and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, just click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.